Hello, you're so welcome to my channel. This is Ruth, an African proud farmer, and today I'm going to show you what I've been doing. On this farm, we do coffee, guava, and we have added on the poultry farming. I'm trying to rear chicken, but I'm still having few. So today you're going to see how I take care of my 12 chickens. I have 6 cocks and 6 hens. So I'm going to show you how I take care of them. First, I give them food as you're seeing. But I want to try and see that if I treat them organically, how does it go? If I give them organic medicine, how does it go? How do they survive? I got these chickens when they have grown up. So I'm trying to learn how to take care of them. You see, what I've known in my absence, I've been learning so many things so that I can give you a good content. You know, on this channel, we do reality. I don't want to come and give you something I don't really know or just I think about it. No, I want to give you something that I've tried and it has worked for me. As you're seeing, I have 6 hens, and these hens every day they give me 3 to 4 eggs. Sometimes they don't give, but it's rare. Since I got them, they've just only given me, they've only skipped 2 days of giving eggs. This has helped my family so much. Why? I'm no longer buying eggs. And I'm giving these chickens organic medicine or organic remedies. Sometimes I give them the lemongrass, papaya leaves, guava leaves, and the Nastavia. There is that. I'll do a tour and show you what I put in water for these chickens. But it has really worked for me. It's now a month, and really my chickens are doing well. They're doing good. They eat well, they drink well, and also their droppings is really not bad, which shows me that they are really doing well. So we are going to be learning so many things from this chicken. I'm planning to add on and be with a large farm, but from this smaller one. You know, on this channel, we always learn how to start small. Always think out of starting small. On our farming videos, we learn how to work from a small space. And it does help either commercially or at home consumption. So do that, chickens. The poultry. Don't wait for the large farm. No, start with the small one. As you're seeing me, now you see this small farm of mine. It does help me on eggs. I no longer buy eggs at home. No, my dear ones. I get eggs from this small poultry I'm rearing. Isn't that good? So please start with a small space you have. And if you're dealing with farming, farming always goes with animal keeping. Why? Because it helps you to save money of the fertilizers. As you're seeing me, now I'm rearing this poultry. I've started rearing this poultry. I showed you my goats. I have pigs. That only helps me in fertilizers. I don't buy, and if I'm to buy, I don't put in much money because I have some. If I have half of it, I'll buy the half. So, my dear farmers, this will help you so much. And I'll be teaching you. You've seen I've got the lemongrass, squeezed it in the water, and it's good and advisable not to give these chickens plain water. Always put something in their water. It will help in their immune system, or even egg boosting, those with big farm. If you use this lemongrass or papaya leaves, they help in so many things, boosting their birds' immunity, and also helps in egg laying, etc. So please don't give the birds plain water. That will help you to keep healthy and good birds. Okay, let's go and give these birds water. Stay with me as you watch. Now, as we are watching, I want us to talk about this small food for thought. Please, dear ladies, use the small space at home and try to put it in use for your table, for your dining. Because those little things you grow at home or you rear at home, they really help so much. They help so very much to save money and to keep your people at home healthy and lovely. You see, these small things we do at home, around our home, they save money, they save life, and they bring joy at home. Please try to see that your home is surrounded with so many things: vegetables, chickens, ducks, etc.